Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your TikTok profile private. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by launching TikTok and opening your profile page. Now tap on the Settings button from the top right of the page. From Settings, tap on Privacy and Safety. The very first option here, titled Private Account, is the option we want to enable. Now that your account is private, your videos and likes will remain hidden to everyone unless you approve them to see it. However, your existing followers won't be affected, so it might be a good idea to run through your list and remove people you don't want to access your content. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.